Materials required are compass, sketch pen, scale, protractor to draw an angle. So let's start. To construct a 10-degree angle, we first need to construct a 20-degree angle. For 20-degree angle, first we need to draw a line segment. Take a ruler and draw a line segment and label the endpoints A and B. Take a compass and adjust it to some length, and using point A as center, draw an arc as shown here. Now label it as point C. After this, without changing the length of the compass, using C as center, draw the arcs on the horizontal lines as shown here. Label this as D and E. After this, without changing the length of compass, using the 2 points D and E as center, cut the arcs as shown here. Label this arc as F. In the end, draw the line passing through point F from A. The angle made by this line is 20 degree. You can cross-check by using a protractor. After this, we know half of 20 degrees is 10 degrees. We need to divide this angle into half. To do so, take a compass and use these two intersection points to center cut the arc as shown here. In the end, draw a line passing through this intersection from point A. You can cross-check using protractor.